Hey Clarence, Justin here. Thank you for liking my little sequence that I created for my Tune 2 sign. So this is how I did it. I created a new sequence animation, 40 frames per second, done. You can select 20 or 40, it doesn't really matter. Go down to wherever you have your matrix or your Tune 2 sign, grab your video effect like so, drag it onto your prop. I dragged it out to 12.5 seconds, and then create a new layer above that. And this one you're going to want to grab your text and dump it onto your matrix or Tune 2 sign as well. And line it up at 12.5 seconds or whatever time you want it to be. Go to settings, sequence settings, and we're going to change the sequence duration to 12.5 seconds. That way it will just repeat over and over again. Let me fix that up a little bit. Alright, so this is what I did. I went to Google and I looked up free Halloween video, and boom, there it was. So I just clicked on the link, downloaded the video, put it in my show directory, and now I have it. Then I also looked up free bloody font, clicked on a link, found a font I liked, like this one. I downloaded it and I put it in my Windows font directory. If you're using Windows, it is c:/Windows/fonts. So let me show you real quick. Go to your C drive or whatever drive your operating system's on, Windows fonts, and you just throw it in there. Like right here is You Murderer. So that's where it's at. Okay, now back to xLights. Click on text, type in whatever text you want it to output. Happy Halloween. And then down here you select Use OS Fonts, select the font that you just downloaded, whatever font style and whatever size you want. This is what I want. Hit OK. Choose whatever color you want that font to be. And on the video, you're going to want to select where you downloaded that video file into your show directory at. So this one is the one that I chose. And so now if I click on my model preview, there it is. So to make your text move, go back to your text effect. Down here, change it from movement none to movement left. And then you can adjust the speed. I put my speed at 40.